another new project on this channel. Yeah, as you can see here on my table, I just put some glue on, school glue, but this one is clear, and I am going to sprinkle all my glitter out of my glitter bag on this. Yes, so um, this is the other project that I have going on, and I wanted to share it with you too. You know, you will go somewhere and pick up, or you will see some coffee tables that are really, really expensive, but you cannot afford it. So, I mean, I've never seen this before. This is my own idea of how I want my coffee table to be. So that's why I thought of doing this. Marco, can you please turn on the light?
Yeah.
One moment. Thank you. Yes, so we have more light. So now I'm going to just sprinkle this on very lightly, and we are going to let it dry overnight. And then with the final touch, I will let you know how it will be. The final touch. I will keep you up to date on all what we're doing with this. I changed my mind with this table actually. I wanted to keep it black, but the paint keeps coming off, and I was tired of painting the whole time. And my husband, he does not like painting. And I am getting tired of painting now. So we have to go another, yeah, easier way to solve some problems. So this is what I am going to do the whole time, and make sure everything is covered. Ooh, it's glittering. So you could tell I am filming one-handed again, right? Yes. But I bought myself a new stative. Everything did not come with it though. So from my old stative, I could screw off the mobile holder and then yeah, attach it onto it, and I was happy it worked. So yeah, we will see how it works when I will film again with the new stative. I wish I could get a camera, but I don't have that money right now. And yeah, so I have to use what I have now at hand. Okay, so let's continue. I was happy that my family agreed on this project, because we all have to live with this forever. So we were deciding on the this mirror glass or the finer one, which is actually sand, mirror sand, I think it's called. Yeah. So we decided on both. Only my eldest, she was, no, leave it like that. I said no. So to satisfy everyone's desire, we are going to use both. That's why you see I already glued down the sides. And we are going to use, what you call it, epoxy, something like that, epoxy. Yeah, we are going to use that. So I have to do this process first for this to stay in place, and then we'll use the epoxy. I guess after doing so much glitter thing, I will remember the name definitely. Yeah, we will be pouring the epoxy over this, so that's why it needs to be fixed in place. Otherwise, it will move along with the epoxy as it flows. Yeah. So I hope you like this video so far, and if you do, you give a thumbs up. And I am using this crushed glass, crushed mirrored glass from IKEA, and yeah, I already used one bottle. Now I'm on to the second one, so I would say maybe 1.5 bottles is good. And our table is 120 centimeters by 60 centimeters. Yeah, so yeah, I think it's supposed to be enough, but I am only doing this part in the middle. Yeah. So if you're curious like me, stay and look out for the result, but that would be in a few days because I will let this dry, and then afterwards I also have to let the epoxy dry as well. So all the excess that is hanging on the edges, like here, I'm going to use the brush and then scrape them back in. Yeah, so then hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I will try my best to post more videos more often. The other way around, I will try my best to post more video often. Does that make sense? Yeah.
Regular.
Yes, I will regularly post more videos. Yeah. Okay guys, have a good night, and it's 11 p.m. now, and I am getting a bit drowsy, so I'm going to my bed. Good night, and as always, you will see me in my next video. Bye.